Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. We are here with another makeup tutorial, and this one, honey, is bright. It's in your face, bright neon. I'm giving you guys like highlighter vibes when I see this look. Yes, definitely highlighter vibes. But I don't know if you guys are familiar with this pigment stacker. I really wanted to play around with this because I don't know, I just wanted to play around with this. It sits on top of my makeup stand, and it just looks at me every single day. So I was like, look, I'm gonna do something with you today. And this is what I came up with. So I'm giving you guys a lot of like highlighter vibes with this makeup look. But this was actually my very first time working with pigments. Like just strictly just pigments, no eyeshadows. Like it is a totally different formula compared to eyeshadows. Like you would think pigments is like a chopped up version of an eyeshadow, but to me, it kind of isn't. I feel like pigments are a little bit more, what's the word? Pigmented? Definitely more pigmented. They're a lot more messier because you have nothing, like you're going to get fallout. It's a pigment, so you're definitely going to get fallout. Like if you guys can see my makeup desk right now, it is a hot mess. These neon pigments everywhere, but I love the outcome of this look, y'all. It's so pretty, it's intense, it's bright. It's so bright that my pictures are not coming out. So I gotta figure out the lighting. I gotta change my lighting or something because it is so bright that you guys cannot see what's going on with the eyes. Like my eyes are like overpowering everything, my hair, my face, every single thing. It is so bright. But I hope you guys like this look. It's definitely a daring look. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course, keep on watching. Alright, my eyes are prepped and primed. As you guys can see, y'all, go ahead and put y'all glasses on because these neon highlighter bright pigments are going to blind y'all, okay? So, woo, yes. So the first color I went in is with this beautiful pink, and I'm going to pop this in my crease. And like I said, this was my very first time working with pigments for my whole entire look. I've used pigments every now and then, like for like the inner tear duct or maybe on the lid, but I haven't done a straight full-on just pigments on the eyes, and they are definitely different when it comes to eyeshadow. Like the comparison is totally different. And what I've learned with pigments, they tend to, depending on like the formula of it, they do seem to fade away very quickly. So I didn't have any problem with this pink. This pink did what it's supposed to do. But when it came to this purple was amazing. But put against the pink, I felt like the two colors together, they kept crashing, like not crashing, but clashing with each other to the point you really couldn't see it. So right here, it looks freaking amazing, but the moment I kept going back and forth to blend, you guys, it was so hard for me to keep that purple on the crease, and I really wanted it to be more bright, but as you guys can see, I'm trying to reapply it, but it was just hard. I just wanted to put that out there. If you guys work with pigments, be patient with it. It is very, very tricky when it comes to that, but I kept doing what I was supposed to do, you know, adding and building, and then now I'm going to cut my crease. And as you guys can see, my crease is kind of pre-cut. I took a Q-tip with makeup remover on it, and I love this method a lot better. But sometimes I'd be forgetting, but it definitely makes your cut crease a lot more cleaner. So I just want to put that out there if you guys are learning how to do cut crease. That method is amazing. And I am going for a half cut crease. And now I'm going to go in with the brightest of the pigments. This is a nice neon yellow color, and I had no problem with this one. This one's easy to pop on. Working with pigments are really easy when you're using patting motions with that. So I just kept adding that color and of course building it up till I felt like it was covered all over the lid. Alright, so I tried to add a little bit of that purple because I really wanted that purple to come through and shine. But it did the same thing to me with the pink. When I put it against the neon yellow, as you guys can see, it's beautiful. But I kept trying to blend the two colors together. And I felt like I kept losing the purple. You can see a little bit of me doing it right there. And so I was like, okay, maybe if I use a different form of a brush, maybe I can get it to blend a little bit better. So this way did it okay, but it was still very hard for me to blend the purple. So I just think it was just the ingredients that's inside the purple pigment which made it very hard for me to blend. So I just want to put that out there. And then I was like, look, we're going all the way neon bright. I'm not doing no black liner. So I did decide to go in with an orange eyeliner as well. And then this eyeliner that I got, it came with a set of like different variety of liquid eyeliners. The quality is very good, you guys, and I got them off of Amazon, but it's been like a cool minute. But if I can find them again, I will definitely link them in the description box. Check out my Amazon store link. It should be in there. That's if I find it, which I'm pretty sure I can. But yeah, don't quote me on that. But I'm just popping it on. Gave myself a nice neon wing. Now we are going to jump into the face. Going in with my green tea primer. This is my moisturizer slash primer. I like to do this step first because I do have combination skin. And I feel like if you have oily skin, this is definitely something you want to do in your routine. It's always moisturize your skin. And then you're going to jump in with a nice matte poreless primer. This is going to help control the moisturizer that you put underneath. So this is definitely going to keep everything nice and matte and form. So I'm putting my putty primer on my face. And as for foundation, I decided to go in with my Fenty foundation. I really love this foundation, but I tend to not use it that much because I feel like for the price point, you really don't get that much in the bottle. So I try to use it only on special occasion, okay? But I just wanted to use it so that way it won't be expired. But being that this is a hydrated foundation, being that I put that matte primer underneath, it's definitely going to cancel or control, I should say, a little bit of the hydrating part when it comes to the foundation. So I really like the combination of these two together. It's just amazing. So I'm blending that all over the face. And then I decided to go in with this ColourPop concealer. And then I did a double conceal because the ColourPop shade that I got is a little too light for my liking, as you guys can see. I like my highlighters to be a little bit more brighter. So then I went in with the other one and put it right underneath a little bit. And plus this one's a little bit more thicker. ColourPop has a little bit of a thin formula. It's going to give you more of a satin finish in my opinion. And I like that full coverage. Like I like to cover up them bags and anything else that I can hide with that concealer. So I am blending that out, and then I'm going to go in with my Rich Ebony Concealer by e.l.f. And I am going to cream contour with this. So I'm going to do the cheeks and of course down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to blend it out. Alright, so now I'm going to set the highlighted areas on my face with my banana powder by Black Radiance. Y'all know I love this forever. But I'm going to set this, and I don't set it to where, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't like leave it on for a long time because I've had some problems with this setting powder. So my trick is, once I press it against the concealer, I wipe that bad boy off right away. I'll probably leave it on for like a good second as for sitting wise, but no longer than that because it will give me flashback. And then to fully seal the whole entire face, I decided to go in with a OB Scooby Dooby setting powder. This is my Maybelline setting powder. I used to use this so often, but I had to stop because back then when I learned about these setting powders, you guys, I did not know how to use them. And I used to look like Casper the Ghost because I thought I didn't have the right shade. So I was like, look, being that my skills a little bit more, you know, advanced, more different. So I decided to use it again. And you guys, I have to say, I had the right shade, okay? It was just my technique. So, you know, practice makes perfect, okay? So I'm popping this beautiful color onto the cheeks. And y'all, if y'all have not got y'all hands on any Beauty Bakerie products, definitely go ahead to your local Target and get your hands on them, because I am amazed and love her products. I love the bronzer, and I definitely love the blush. But now we're jumping back into the eyes, and I'm going back in with that neon pink pigment, and I'm going to pop that on the lower lash line. Woo! This was bright, y'all. This was like bright, bright, bright. And then I did like a little tiny trick. I don't think you guys can see it, but I did add a little bit of that orange pigment in my waterline, but you couldn't even see it, so it's okay. But now I'm going on to my lips. I'm going to line my lips with a brown pencil, and I'm pretty sure the pencil I'm using is COCO Kisses, not COCO Kisses, COCO pencil by NK, because that's like my only favorite matte brown pencil that I like to use at the moment. Yes. And then I'm going to go in with this beautiful shade by LiveGlam. I don't remember the name, but I definitely will have it linked in the description box if you guys want to know a little bit more about LiveGlam. I will also have a referral link. I don't get any coins for it. It's just points if you guys would like to sign up for LiveGlam, or even if you want to make a purchase for certain shades, definitely check them out. And now I'm going to pop this gloss right on top. It has a mixture of a lip gloss and a lipstick mixed to it, but it's more of a glossy feel. But it just wasn't enough for me, so I decided to go in with another gloss to go all over the all over the lips. And I'm using my Princess Lip Slip. And if you guys want to check her out, I do have a coupon code, MakeupbyNesha. If you guys want to check her out, y'all know I love the lashes. Definitely love the lip slips and all that, okay? But now we're going to set the face, you know, and I decided to add my little highlighter at the end, because this look wasn't enough. I was like, look, if we're going to highlight with the eyes, we're going to highlight all over the face. So, of course, I'm going to put that down in the bridge of my nose and pop it above my cheekbones just a little bit. Yeah, honey. Shine bright like a diamond, and then boom. There you go. This is the final look. I really do hope you guys like it. And if you guys are feeling this, definitely go ahead and show me some love down in the comment section. And of course, if it's not too much to ask, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And then I'm going to ask y'all for something one more again, okay? Definitely go ahead and share this on one of your social medias. I would definitely appreciate that. You know, I love the support, show the love, you know, support all the way. But pretty much that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's look. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys all in another one. Smooches.